Hello. As I mentioned, I've been negotiating with teams on final due dates, and I agreed that we can have this final release today, Tuesday the 5th, and have it due December 1, or earlier if possible. I'm a little stressed in that I leave the country December 2nd, but I will be able to score them from Malaysia, where I'm attending a conference. I've used this type of exam before, and it seemed to work okay. You may recall the course objectives. I've de-emphasized the job search process for you guys and just stuck with the resume production where you shared what you already had with career services. I have an alignment diagram about the major learning events and how they relate to the world of work. And I know that you guys can relate to all of these quite easily. I'm giving you 5 questions, 5 topics, and you can pick any 3 that you want. Here are the formatting issues. Here are the scoring points. There's 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to read them to you. 4. This one has a number of items to relate to. I basically would like this to be a real reflection paper on what you're taking away from BCOMM 301. Thank you very much for your persistence and understanding.